Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi password not sharing on iPhone. This is a method that works in 2023 and it will work in 2024. There's a few things you can do, but first start with hitting the like button, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button. Then you want to go over to your settings, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you have Wi-Fi on, right? You want to go on Wi-Fi and you want to have it on. Also, you can turn it on from just swiping up and having this toggle on. If this does not help you, you should know that Wi-Fi sharing is only available for newer iOS versions. It's pretty much been available for 3 or 4 years, but if you have not updated your iPhone, you want to go over to settings, you want to click on general, you want to click on software update, and when it loads up, you want to make sure you click on update now so you have the latest version. If none of this helps, try restarting your phone, and also if that doesn't help, go on over to your settings. From there, you want to click on general, you want to go down, transfers, reset iPhone, reset, and then you just want to reset the network settings. That should help out. If you still have the issue, let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If it did help you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next one. Bye.